I gotta say, Brandon, it takes a lot of moxie. Brandon, you became the next master distiller. Congratulations. That was one of the finest jars of liquor that I've ever tasted in the history of this show.
Master Distiller Brandon Buffington, winner from Season 3 Moonshiners Master Distiller. And today I'm at Sugarlands Distilling Company in Gatlinburg, Tennessee, where we're going to be making my winning recipe of ancient grain moonshine. Come along with me while I show you some behind the scenes footage of how we make the ancient grain moonshine. The 6-row malted barley, milling that. So we've got the ancient grains cooking in the cooker right now. We've got the kamut, the white wheat, the honey malt, and the 6-row barley in. So first we started out over here at the mill. We stone ground milled it. Then we transferred it all over to the cooker. We added our enzymes in. We're going to let it cool down, get a gravity reading. See if we need to add any sugar to it. We probably won't need to. Then after all that, we're going to transfer it over to the fermenter, get it down to 90 degrees, pitch our yeast, and let her go. So far so good. What a fantastic day here at Sugarlands Distilling Company, Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Come get some of this ancient grain moonshine. Master Distiller Brandon Buffington here, winner from Season 3 Moonshiners Master Distiller, and we're here at Sugarlands Distilling Company in Gatlinburg, Tennessee, where I am mashing in my winning recipe of ancient grains. I've got the kamut, white wheat, honey malt, and 6-row barley in the cooker right now. We're getting ready to transfer it over to the fermenter where we're going to pitch the yeast and let it roll. Do your thing, yeast. There she goes.
gotta say, Brandon, it takes a lot of moxie. You stood your ground, Brandon. You became the next master distiller. Congratulations. That was one of the finest jars of liquor that I've ever tasted in the history of this show.